Hello, Locksmith?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, that's the key. So the last time you replaced the battery?
Yeah, I just replaced it now.
Okay.
How much?
250.
Alright, yeah, let's do it.
Do it?
Yeah.
Alright. We got the code with laser, fabric, programming keys. Put off. That's the password. Successful. You see? Lock, unlock, and start. Alright?
It'll be nice to have a lock kit.
Of course. Yes, okay.
Awesome.
Alright? Remember, this button is not gonna work. Lock, unlock, pan is gonna work.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.